Yo, what is up, guys? Gus with Stock Trading TV. Holy shit, this market is annoying. Don't be this guy.
Welcome to Michael Strategy. I see I put £4.30 for a call option, and I'm pretty sure I am going to win this. Please God, no. That's okay. No. Oh my God. No. Please Lord. No. Yes. It's nearly there. I've got 10 seconds left. No. Yes. Please stay there. Oh, for the love of God, Allah! Oh, no!
Actually, if you've been in this game long enough, you probably had one of those days. So anyways, extremely choppy conditions today. I was able to grind out about 500 bucks, and I just decided to cut it midday. It's just extremely choppy out there for both longs and shorts. Not the time to try to be a hero. Some people can thrive in this environment, others can't. Some just go cash. So anyways, a few shorts. I think I took a couple of shorts here on Apple. Yesterday was the same situation. I was able to grind out a nice day and gave up about half of it. Just was trying to get to a level and gave some back, and then I tried to get back to where I was, and then I ended up cutting it in half minus commission. So needless to say, it's just this market just doesn't make it very easy. So anyway, let's take a look here what I did this today. Actually, let me pop up the trades. So we got a total of just two trades here, $453. So it took a short on Apple right off the failure off the 20 SMA and the volume weighted average price, and ended up covering when it flushed down, and then did another small one which became just this chop. I figured, once I'm up ahead, I had another trade on UXIN, a very small trade, and this chopped around all day until I just this drop. Finally, I was just out. It was like an extra 60 bucks or whatever. UXIN, very small trade, as you can see. Just took it here at just before the 750 mark, sold at 765, only 300 shares. The stock has already ran up quite a lot. It's a low volume day, in the overall market, and just not the time to be putting on risk. So you can see this thing's come all the way down from a low of 281, and even as high as almost $9. So it was just a quick trade early morning, just to get things flowing, just to be on a positive note. But all in all, we have about $504.20 total. So I want to talk a little bit about over trading, because yesterday I did trade a lot. I traded only one stock. I traded Apple. There's a difference between over trading and taking your buy signals. Okay, so if you have a lot of buy signals, you taking these signals as your plan suggests, then I wouldn't necessarily, that wouldn't be over trading. But when you start getting bored and you start pushing trades that are not there, then you fall into the over trading territory. So one of the important things in this market, man, is just not try to push trades in this market. This market's just been very choppy. It hasn't been really good for longs or shorts, unless you're a scalper, and you got to be quick. It's not a bad Friday. $500 to end the week, still up for the week nicely, and what we got in store for next week. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. So taking a look at the SPY on the 1 hour chart, we have a range that we just broke back down below. We're trading between this range here. If you want to call that a range, we could also bring the trend line, the support and resistance line up here, but this is mainly what I was watching because it had the most reactions. You could see we broke above it, we broke below it, we stayed in it, broke above it and failed. Now we're breaking below it. As it sits right now, it's 315. We're putting a hammer here at the bottom, so who knows? The way things have been, maybe we ramp up at the close and get back inside this channel. Who knows? But for now, I'm done for the day. This is a very choppy environment. So going back to the daily, not much there, man. It's just a matter of you know, now it's a good time, and of course it's not 4 o'clock yet, but this, you know, over the weekend is a good time to start looking at weekly charts. I'm gonna be doing a video on technical analysis for all the pot stocks, things like stocks like ACB, Cron, CGC. What else we got? Tilray. So I am going to take the time this weekend to go over it in depth and start looking at some levels to watch, and you know, where the overall sector has come from, where does it have the potential to go. But all in all, man, stay safe out there. It's a very tricky market to trade. If anything, this is the time to start practicing patience. Keep your position sizes down. Don't marry any ideas. Again, I'll be recapping some of the marijuana stocks this weekend, so look out for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, manage risk, and don't forget.
Number one rule of Wall Street. Nobody, I don't care if you're Warren Buffett or if you're Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows if the stock is going to go up, down, sideways, or in fucking circles. Least of all stockbrokers. Right? It's all a fugazi. You know what a fugazi is?
Oh, Fugazi. It's fake.
Yeah, fugazi. It's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's a fairy dust. It doesn't exist. It's never landed. It is no matter. It's not on the elemental chart. It's not fucking real.
Right.